Welcome, students, to Virtual Teaching Tutor. Here's a welcome introduction to proportions. Proportions are an essential concept in mathematics that describe the relationship between two ratios. Essentially, a proportion states that two fractions are equal. Understanding proportions is crucial for solving problems in various fields, including science, finance, and everyday life. In this guide, we will break down the steps to solve proportion problems and provide examples to clarify the concept. Understanding the proportion. A proportion is written as A divided by B equals C divided by D, where A and B are the first ratio and C and D are the second ratio. 2. Cross multiplication. To solve for an unknown variable in a proportion, use cross multiplication. This means multiplying the numerator of one fraction by the denominator of the other fraction. A times D equals B times C. A times D equals B times C. 3. Rearranging the equation. If you are solving for one of the variables, let's say b, rearrange the equation to isolate that variable. 4. Solving the variable. Perform the necessary arithmetic to find the value of the variable. Example problem. If 3 divided by x equals 12 divided by 16, find the value of x. Step 1. Set up the proportion. 3 divided by x equals 12 divided by 16. Step 2. Cross multiply. 3 times 16 equals 12 times x. 3 times 16 equals 12 times x. Step 3. Calculate the left side. 48 equals 12x because 3 times 16 equals 48. Step 4. Rearrange the equation to solve for x. X equals 48 divided by 12. Step 5. Perform the division. X equals 4. Because 48 divided by 12 equals 4, x equals 48 divided by 12. The value of x is 4. In conclusion, by following these steps of understanding the proportion, using cross multiplication, or rearranging the equation, and solving for the variable, you can tackle proportion problems with confidence. Remember, practice is key to mastering proportions. If you enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could share it with your family and friends. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button to show your appreciation. Subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content and make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted as soon as we release our next video. If you're interested in tutoring sessions, feel free to contact me at jriverstar@gmail.com. Support our mission. Visit our website and donate via the link below to make a difference today. Thank you for watching, and we love hearing your thoughts in the comments.